Today we're featuring a certified pre-owned 2016 Honda Civic LX crystal black pearl in color. Okay, 66,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, got the nice chrome trim around the windows here. Driver's side of the Civic's in great shape. We'll make our way across the back. Does have rear backup camera. All right, make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in good shape. Exterior of the Civic's in good shape. Okay, once again, it's certified. It's a 66,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got the nice thick Honda Civic floor mats, rubber floor mats, black cloth. Driver's seat's in good shape. 2 keyless entry key fobs. Okay. Center armrest right here, got the storage, and then you can use the whole thing right there as storage as well. Passenger seat's in good shape. All right, no problems there. It is a 6-speed manual. All right, got your climate controls right here, radio display, backup camera right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Got cruise control on this side of the steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 66,118 miles. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you radio display. All right, got your climate control area there as well. Okay. Let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right. See if I can dim that down for you just a little bit. There we go. Got the guidelines on there as well. Okay. Once again, climate control area. It is a 6-speed manual. All right, let's hop out and take a look in the back seat. We'll also check out your trunk space. And I'm going to go ahead and walk around on the passenger side. Open up this other door to let as much light in as possible. All right, door panels back here in great shape. Got the rubber floor mats back here as well. Back seat cloth looks good. No problems at all back here. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. The nice plastic protector mat back here. Spare tire and jack under there. But I'll step to the side. You can see how much room you have in the back of these Civics. There's a ton of room. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. All right, we got 16-inch steel wheels. The nice hubcaps on there. All right, brand new set of tires. All right, once again, it's a 16, it's certified, 66,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.